Combination charts uses multiple mark types in the same visualization. So we can create like a line chart and the bar graph in a same visualization. That is what the combination. Okay, combination means combining two or more charts in the same visualization. So let us see how to create a combination chart step by step. We are going to use the sample superstore data. And here you can see that in the data pane we have order date. Okay, so we have to move that to the column shelf. Okay, and let us change that to the month. Here by default it will be year, so let us change that to month. Click on month. So here you can see that it has changed to month. Okay, now let us drag and drop the measures, that is the sales from measures to the rows. So here by default you can see that it has generated the line graph. Okay, we can also drag the profit and the sales to the rows, that is to the row shelf. Here you can see that we have two measures, that is sum of sales and the sum of profit. Okay, so here click on the sum of profit, right click, and then you can see here it has an option called dual axis. So click here dual axis. You can see that two line graph has been combined to a single chart. Okay, so first let us understand, see, before making it as a dual axis, you can see that this is a separate line graph and this is a separate line graph which shows the sales and the profit. If you click here and do it as a create it as a dual axis, you can see that it combined and it is created as a what it has created as a sales and a profit line graph as a single line graph visualization, and this blue color denotes to the profit and this orange denotes to the sales. Okay, so this you can see, if you want to change something, like for example if you want to change any one to, that is if you want to change this profit, okay, this is the blue color is the profit. If you want to change this profit to the different type of visualization, so you can click this card. In the marks card you can see that you have various things. Okay, you can simply click profit or sales to any other graph. If you click here as a bar graph, you can see that you can see the bar graph is generated and it is showing the variation. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can also do the changes to the color. Okay, like if you want to change it to the pink color or any colors, then you can change it. Okay, it is like automatic. If you want to change it to assign to the palette and click OK. Okay, so you can change the color of the graph as well, that is possible. Okay, so click here and click on this and click OK and then click apply. You can see the changes. Okay, so this is for the sales. Okay, that is we have changed the profit. Okay, so what happens here, that is the profit has changed, that is you can see a bar graph and a line graph which is synchronized. So if you want to see a synchronized axis, that is also possible. Just you, if you just go and right click on anything, like if you just right click here, you can see various option over here. Okay, so this is regarding like how you can see the various changes. Okay, if you want to synchronize the that is both the measures like profit and sales, so click on here and on the profit, that is in the legend, sorry, in the axis, right click here and click synchronize axis, which will synchronize the date, that is the visualization will be synchronized here. Okay, so you can see that you can add two types of values, two types of um, visualization in the same data, that is in the same graph. Two different types of graphs in the same visualization is possible here. Okay, so instead of profit, okay, if you are using a profit for and sales for bar graph, so let us have sales as well, and let us change the profit to the bar graph and see how it works. So here you can find a different set of output. Okay, so according to your requirement you can change the output as well.